Welcome back to Learn Earn Crypto channel. Today, we're gonna look at the Bitcoin price and some altcoins charts. Let's see if you can buy some altcoins so you can establish some positions if you don't have any exposure to crypto right now, or if you are currently heavy in cash. Let's look at the Bitcoin price. As you may have seen from the news, Bitcoin has reached a new all-time high, which is around 65,000 US dollars, depending on which exchange you are using. So at Coinbase, the all-time high is 66,000, but in Binance is around 65,000 US dollars. It is currently trading at 64,800 with the highest daily close at 66,000 in Bitcoin history. Now let's analyze the current Bitcoin price. From here, we can draw a potential rising channel. So we can draw a rising channel from here until here. And we can adjust this. So here you'll see there's a resistance around this area and support around the lower part of the rising channel. Some possible resistance around all-time high and the immediate support in case Bitcoin will do a pullback. It is also possible that Bitcoin can test the previous support and do a pullback, which will go back to around 50,000 US dollars. We can speculate it by using the bars pattern and measure from the top here and from here. And we can move here. You'll see that Bitcoin can try to go back to the lower part of the rising channel before it makes a new all-time high and go for 80,000 plus US dollars. In my opinion, above 50,000 is no longer a buy zone, but of course it's still possible to earn by buying and holding this asset until the manic market or the mania phase by December this year or early next year. This can possibly double your capital when the price reaches over 100,000 US dollars, but the risk is already high at this point. Please remember to take profit in this bull run and be ready to accumulate during the next bear market. Before we review some altcoin chart, let's quickly go through the Bitcoin and altcoin season behavior. This table shows the Bitcoin and altcoins rotation. This can serve as a guide to know when is the best time to invest in altcoins. The first scenario is when Bitcoin dominance increases and Bitcoin price increases, you should expect the altcoins to decrease. Now, if Bitcoin dominance increases and Bitcoin price decreases, altcoin price will decrease rapidly. This scenario is an opportunity to establish some position in alts during bull market. If Bitcoin dominance increases and Bitcoin is stable or consolidating, then altcoins will be stable as well. This scenario is for altcoin season, where Bitcoin dominance goes down and Bitcoin price goes up. Expect the altcoins to go up rapidly. And if both Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price goes down, altcoins can decrease a little or become stable. Another scenario you want to see is Bitcoin dominance to decrease and Bitcoin price to remain stable or in consolidation. Then altcoins prices will go up. Currently, we are in the stage where Bitcoin dominance is increasing slowly while Bitcoin price is going up or consolidating, which is holding the altcoin price to go up. If you have an altcoins position, then you would like to see the Bitcoin dominance to drop and Bitcoin price to go up. And that will be the altcoin season where price can go up more than 50% in a day and can last for a week or more. The logarithmic MACD can give you a hint on when to sell. Okay, now let's review some of the altcoin price charts. Let's see which one has the buying opportunity in the current stage of the bull market before it goes to the mania phase in the coming months or by early next year. VeChain against US dollar. This is one of my altcoin position where my initial buy is around 0.06 cents. I added around 10 cents and now it is poised to break the diagonal resistance from the previous all-time high at around 27 or 26 cents. Now, if you don't have any position yet or exposure to crypto, you can consider buying on this breakout at 13 cents and also place a realistic bid around 10 cents. One of the best buying strategy when investing in altcoin is to buy in different tranches. Your first buy will be the 25% of your capital, and then you can add another 25 or 50% on your next buy. So at the current price, this is 100% away from the previous all-time high from last April. You can expect this to break when Bitcoin price goes above 70,000 or 80,000 in the coming weeks or coming months. Let's take a look at the weekly MACD. So the weekly MACD is about to cross, which is bullish. So I think this is a good time to start establishing some position for this altcoin. NANO US dollar is another altcoin that you can potentially establish some position right now while waiting for the altcoin season. You can place a bid around $5, which is the immediate support, and the previous support around $4 in case Bitcoin will do a pullback, and you can put another tranche in case the diagonal resistance will be broken. The MACD is turning bullish now, so this is another good buy for altcoins. Here's another altcoin that is good to buy, XLM US dollar. So you can put the first tranche at around 35 cents and another buy order at 30 cents, and also you can add a lowball bid around 25 cents. In case it breaks the resistance around 40 cents, then you can add or double up around 43 cents. From the current price until the previous all-time high, that's a 100+% potential gain. That's all for now. If you like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching.